what do you think of the Open Launch Initiative?
Well, we were very interested in since the beginning with the Open Launch Initiative that Josiah Coy came up with from Astra Bremen, because being new, we had no idea that paperwork was going to be this hard and difficult and expensive. Especially, I don't know if I'm legally able to say numbers, but they are very, very high. So of course, when we heard about this initiative to join many other teams, and instead of just one team actually having to pay for the whole, half-day window to launch, many other teams can join and we can launch many rockets, and that would be great from many points of views. Both economically, it's better for everyone. We get to network with our teams. We get to actually see other teams in action, so we can get more experience. I think it's a great idea. I mean, there's the obvious problem of having teams interested, but from opposite sides of Europe. Like, it would be very difficult to do for us, for example, to, I don't know, just to give an example, to work with Propulse from NTNU, because they're so far away from us. But I don't know, Madrid or Italy or French teams for Spain, that would be great. Or even Portugal, of course, which are our neighbors. So yeah, we were very interested. We'll see how the meeting goes.
For anyone watching, the Open Launch Initiative is the idea to go to a spaceport and share the price, because it, as you said, Carlos, it costs a lot of money. And so if many teams share the price, then for each team it will cost less.
Yes, exactly. We'll talk with spaceports and see the availability of actually having more than one rocket at the same time. But we'll see how it goes. We'll make an update.